What are my obligations regarding conflicts of interest with former clients? Have you ever wondered what your responsibilities are when it comes to conflicts of interest with former clients? This is a vital topic for anyone pursuing a legal career. Let's break it down in simple terms. When a lawyer has worked with a client, certain ethical duties continue even after that relationship ends. The main responsibilities involve avoiding conflicts that could harm the former client and keeping their confidential information safe. First, a lawyer cannot representing a new client in the same or a closely related matter if the new client's interests are directly opposed to those of the former client. This means if the current case touches on issues from the former client's case, the lawyer typically cannot take on the new client without getting the former client's informed consent. This consent must be confirmed in writing. Next, the lawyer must be careful not to use or disclose any confidential information gained during the previous representation. Confidential information includes any private details learned while working with the former client that could be damaging if revealed or used against them. If the lawyer has switched to a new law firm, similar rules still apply. The lawyer cannot representing a new client in a matter where their previous firm represented a client with conflicting interests. This is especially important if the lawyer gained sensitive information from the former firm's client. In practical terms, here are some steps a lawyer should take. First, identify whether the new matter is the same or closely related to the former client's matter. Next, determine if the new client's interests are opposed to those of the former client. Then, assess whether the lawyer has confidential information that could be harmful if used against the former client. Finally, if a conflict exists, obtain informed consent from the former client in writing before moving forward with the new representation. Understanding these obligations is essential for navigating ethical interview questions and career development in law school. When discussing potential conflicts during interviews or networking events, showing awareness of these duties reflects professionalism and ethical responsibility. It also prepares future lawyers to handle conflicts proactively, ensuring compliance with professional conduct rules and maintaining client trust. Your obligations regarding conflicts of interest with former clients revolve around loyalty and confidentiality. Avoid representing new clients in related matters without consent and protect any confidential information obtained during prior representation. These responsibilities continue even after the lawyer-client relationship has ended and are fundamental to ethical legal practice.